All right, well, let's talk about how to add a new page and do some different things with it. So remember that we said this button's important up here that has the paper with the plus sign. That's a new page. So we're going to click on that and create a new page. We're going to go ahead and name this page You Can Learn Too. Now, there are different templates you can use when you create a page. We're just going to stick with web page for right now. And then you get to select where you would like to put it. And we're just going to start, when we create pages, we're just for general purposes, just keeping it at the top level. So make sure that says top level and click create. Now, once you have created a page, it automatically puts you in edit mode. So notice that up here we have all of our different edit tools where we can change the font and the size, color, and whatnot. Well, what we want to do with this is we're going to insert a couple of videos. We're going to go to YouTube and search some videos, but we're going to insert some videos that talk about how to do something on a Google site. So the first thing that we want to take a look at is we're going to look at the page layout. And if you click on layout up here, it brings down a drop-down menu and it gives you several options. So what you see here, these pictures, are how you can split up your content area box. Now, when inserting videos, if you go smaller, if you try to do 3 columns, they're just a little too small. Your videos end up kind of overlapping each other and pushing each other out. So my suggestion is to go no smaller than 2 columns side by side. Or you can choose some different options. You could do 2 columns but have places, some other boxes that you can add content that above and below those 2 boxes. You could do sidebar options where maybe the smaller box is where you type stuff and the bigger box is where you insert your videos. But for now we're just going to stick with the 2 column one. So we're going to insert the 2 columns. And you can see our cursor is here, so if we insert a video here, it's going to show up here. The keyword that I'm using is insert, so if you click on insert, you can go over here to where it says video, and we are going to do YouTube videos, so we're just going to click on YouTube. Now what it wants us to do is paste the URL of a YouTube video. So let's go here, and when you go to your YouTube site, you could type in Google Sites and try that for a search. You can see it says Google Sites #1, how to create a new site. Well, that sounds like one, how to do something with Google Sites, so let's try that. As soon as you click on a video, it's going to start loading, and so we want to hit pause right away. But to get the URL of the site, there's 2 places we can look. First of all, this is the video that we're on right now, and if you go up above to your URL bar, you can see that there is a web address there. Or you can click the share button, and what pops up right here, it's already highlighted, so if it's blue, it's already highlighted, is the URL for this video. So if you right click on it, put your cursor inside, right click on it, you can click copy. Then if we click back to our website, here's our insert YouTube video. If you put your cursor in the box, you can right click and paste. So here is the YouTube URL for that. Now we want to include a border around the YouTube video. That kind of separates it from your background. You can uncheck it if you want to, see what it looks like. And then right here says include title YouTube video. Well, the video already has a title and it will show up, so we don't really need this, so I like to uncheck the box. Then click save. Now you can see that in this box you have inserted a video. I like to center them inside the boxes. Now if I wanted to type in this box, if I click in the box right next to the video, see how it's blinking cursor? That means that I could type. So I'm going to actually hit enter maybe a couple times, and then notice where my cursor is, it's down here. So I can start typing and I can put a description. This video is about creating a Google site. Okay, so you could put a description of the video, make sure that if someone's going to watch this video, they know what it's about.